All of our skills are thrown from the same fighting stance, so that includes our elbows. We have 5 elbows and variations of all of them, so let's run through them here. This first is a rear elbow, somebody coming from attack or grabbing me from attack. The technical would be to reach and pull, but typically you don't get that. But it's good to practice that way because that gives you maximum power. But the reality is if somebody grabs you, boom, it's basically going to come from point A to point B. So that can come to the head, that can come to the body, boom, right into the solar plexus. That's a real surprise. It can also come up under the chin. That would be no fun at all. So let's do 5 of those. Let's do 3, 3, and 3. 1, 2, 3. Notice my chin's down, my hands up. Go to the body now. 1, 2, 3. I'm turning my hip into it. And last, we're going to go whop, right up the center. 1, 2, 3. That would be a real surprise. Okay, so that's elbow number 1. Elbow number 2 is like our punch number 2. So I'm creating power by turning my hips. So from here, bang, there's your elbow number 2. Notice how I am hiding. Peekaboo. Hiding here, I'm hiding here. So your punches to my head are probably going to be blocked or at least deflected. Common mistake, pushing it forward or bringing it straight across, chin up. You want to hide and slash. Ideally, think about it going over the shoulder and then down. Though that's not necessary, coming straight across, if it hits, is just as effective. So be good at both. So we're going to slash. 3 more of these. 2. Last one. Boom. Make sure and cover. Also make sure to do these on both sides. We're going to do one side. It's up to you to flip over and do the other side. Here we go. So now, elbow number 3 is just like punch number 3. We're just going to torque the body, bang, and hit that elbow. So it's the same power as shifting that weight. Remember we raised that back foot up because we knew that we shifted our weight so much the foot come up. So we tested that by shifting the weight and then lifting that foot up a little bit. That shows that we shifted hard to the back foot. So here we go. Elbow number 3, 5 times. 1, 2, 3. Bring that hand up. 4. Hide behind that shoulder. 5. Okay, now switch and do 5 on the other side. Finally, we're going to do elbow number 4. Okay, from the top, elbow number 1. We're going to go 3, 3, and 3. Ready? 1. Sit back. 2. Breathe out. 3. Look at your opponent. Going to the body now. 1. Cover. 2. Notice how my shoulders are coming up. 3. Now we're going up under the chin. Nasty. Would you smack him in the groin and then go up? I just thought about that. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, switch sides. Elbow 1 high. 1, 2, 3. All right, we're going to the body now. 1, 2, 3. We're always breathing out like you're lifting weights. It gives you more power. Plus, if you get hit, the wind's already out. It doesn't hurt as bad. Now we're going to go up under the chin. Now, elbows are really important that you practice both sides because it's a self-defense move and it's not something you're going to set up in sparring. It's more of a whoa, pow type of situation. Okay, next elbow is number 2. Just like our number 2 reverse punch, we're doing a number 2 elbow. Same power by torquing the body. 2 versions. 1, we slash down, coming over the shoulder and down, or 2, we just go straight across. One half a dozen of the other. They both work. What doesn't work so well though is pushing it. You want to avoid pushing it. So you are torquing and slashing either down or slashing across. Here we go. Just like swinging that baseball bat. Hands up. 1, 2, snap it right back. 3, cover. 4, and 5. Turn that hip, switch sides. And again, we're not doing back away, step away. Back up, change alignment, change sides, and then prepare, reposition. I just don't have the room to do it here. So here we go. elbow number 3. What elbow we just do? Elbow number 2. Feels different on the other side. The last one. There we go. Okay, elbow number 3 is like a hook punch. I'm sitting down on this hook punch. So we're going to sit down and bang, throw that hook. Boom, throw that hook. Eyes on your opponent at all times. Pull that other hand up. Pull this shoulder up. Switch sides now. 5 real quick. Ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Uppercut. We're going right up the center. That's a nasty technique. The uppercut's hard to get away from. The uppercut elbow is equally hard to get away from. So from here, we're just going to bend our knees a little bit, and then boom, just torque it right off. Boom, chin down, hand up. I'm hiding as always. 3, 4, boom, breathe out. 5, boom. Other side, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, last elbow is the finishing elbow. We've got him down, bang. Be aware that your elbow is pretty fragile, and that thing could really do damage to your elbow. You may be better off with a hammer fist or a knife hand, but we still, so if it's his back, I would not hesitate to drive this hard into his back, but his skull, not so much. I'd probably go to a chop or a hammer fist. Okay, so let's finish him off. Ready, raise and drop the body. 1, 2, sure and breathe. 3, 4, drop that weight on him hard. 5, all right, last one, last round, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. 5 elbows, practice, practice, practice.